Hello my dear students, today in this video we are going to learn how to prepare the whole mount of chick embryo. For this we have to use the fertilized incubated eggs for 18 to 96 or 18 to 72 hours, and this incubation should be done at 37 degrees Celsius. After incubation, these eggs should be held blunt end on the upper side. Hold the egg with its broad end facing upward and break shell by using the blunt forceps. To remove shell pieces, you should use the blunt forceps, and you have to remove all the shell very carefully without disturbing the blastodisc. After removing the shell, you have to pour the albumin which is present inside the egg in the beaker very carefully without damaging or without disturbing the embryo inside. Remove all the egg albumin by tilting the egg in the beaker. You should avoid the damage to the yolk because it contains the embryo inside. After removing the albumin, immerse the shell with yolk ball in saline and transfer the yolk ball and locate the embryo by rotating the yolk ball with the help of the chalaza. You should hold the chalaza and locate the embryo inside. You will see a disc-like area which is blastodisc on the yolk. After observing that disc, use bent scissor to cut vitelline membrane. The cut should be taken very carefully. After cutting, you should hold the vitelline membrane with the blunt forceps, and you have to take that vitelline membrane away from the yolk without disturbing the embryo. After dissecting this embryo from the yolk, you have to take that embryo on the slide, transfer the embryo on clean slide with the help of the blunt forceps. You have to mount that embryo on the slide at center of the slide. And remove the slide very gently from the saline water by spreading the embryo on the slide. After this process, you have to fix the embryo on the slide, and for that you should use aceto alcohol fixative, or you may also use Coronoise fixative. For few minutes, you should add that fixative with the help of dropper on the embryo and wait for few minutes. After few minutes, remove excessive of the fixative from the slide by using blotting paper. Then you have to dehydrate this slide by using the alcohol grades. First you have to add 50% of alcohol on the embryo, and you have to keep that slide aside for a few minutes. After that, remove the excess of 50% alcohol with the help of blotting paper, and then add 70% of alcohol for a few minutes. Again you have to keep that slide for a few minutes and remove the excessive of alcohol, and after that remove extra vitelline membrane with the help of scalpel. Then add 90% of alcohol for few minutes. Remove the excessive alcohol and then use alcoholic eosin for staining purpose. You have to keep it for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the excessive stain with the help of blotting paper. Then add 90 and 100% of alcohol respectively for few minutes. For 3 to 4 minutes you have to add this, and then you should clear the slide in xylene. You should add the xylene on the slide for 5 minutes, clear in xylene, and then mount the embryo in DPX.